Okay, good morning children. Today we are starting unit 4, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. The lesson is very easy and very interesting. So you will come to know very interesting things. First of all, let me tell you, matter is made up of elements. Okay, we have read in elements, atoms are there. Atoms are there. These atoms, actually they are not present, all the elements, their atoms are not present individual, as an individual atom. Okay? So they are united together, they form the molecule. Atoms are present, atoms of elements are present as molecules. And certain atoms like noble gas atoms, वो जो last 18 group है noble gases, they are present as individual atoms. Okay, rest of the atoms are either present as molecules. तो what happens here, या फिर किसी के साथ वो दूसरे elements के साथ attach भी रहते हैं sometimes. तो what happens here, if we talk about, there must be some force that makes the molecule. How atoms are united? There must be some force. That force is actually chemical bond. So we can write here chemical bond. Bond means how they are united together. So what is chemical bond? Which unites them together. So if we want to write the definition of a chemical bond, as I told you, the attractive force which holds various constituent atoms or ions together in different chemical species is known as a chemical bond. Different types of chemical bonds are present, right? Many theories have come to explain the chemical bond, to explain the molecule's definite shape, how they possess the definite shape. Different theories and concepts came that we will read in this chapter. First was Coastal-Lewis approach, like valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, valence bond theory, molecular orbital theory. These things we will read. One interesting thing was given by the scientist Coastal-Lewis. So Coastal-Lewis. They suggested that octet, children, what is octet configuration? Octet means kya? 8. So when outermost orbit has got 8 electrons, it is known as octet. Okay. So Lewis pictured that atoms are as a positive kernel with the electrons around them, and outermost orbit में जितने electron होते हैं उनको उसका valence electron कहते हैं. So every atom tends to get 8 electrons in the outermost orbit to get stable. Stable configuration is known as octet configuration. तो nutshell में ये समझना है कि every atom needs 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. So if they get octet, यानी 8 electrons, they get stable. So they try to make chemical bonds to get octet configuration. Fine. So he suggested some, like if I talk about here, you see Cl2. So how Cl2 molecule is made? First of all, we have to remember that what is the atomic number of Cl? So Cl is 17. Cl means Z is 17, you know. So when you will write the configuration, it will be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Right? 17. But what is the outermost electrons? 7. How many electrons are there? 7. And so if Cl wants to make bond with Cl, okay, why they will make bond? Because they have to want the octet configuration. So let me denote the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 1 is 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. They both need 8 electrons. So they will share this pair of electrons. अपना ये वाला इसने दे दिया, इसके साथ शेयर कर लिया, ये वाला इसने इसके साथ शेयर कर लिया. So one bond is formed between Cl and Cl. So both the Cl are now happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is Cl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they have shared their pair of electron to get the octet configuration. Lewis suggested that atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked by chemical bonds. So we saw right now Cl and Cl के बीच में एक chemical bond है. This was suggested by Lewis. Then came outer octet electrons, and he suggested about Lewis symbols. Like if we want to write the Lewis symbol of lithium, it is given in the textbook also, Lewis symbols. Here only valence shell electrons are denoted. So if we want to write lithium, तो valence shell में 1 electron, then after lithium, ये I नहीं है बेटा, ये I है, lithium. Then beryllium, outermost orbit, 2 electrons, so 1 and 1, 2. After beryllium, boron, so 3, 1, 2, 3. Then carbon, 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then comes nitrogen, carbon के बाद nitrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and nitrogen में 5 है. एक साइड कहीं 2 electrons शो करने पड़ेंगे. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After nitrogen, oxygen 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Then after oxygen we will write fluorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. Similarly, outer neon, ये तो octet वाला है. Understood? Noble gas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This dot structure is known as Lewis dot structure or Lewis symbol. Then came this, what is the group valence? Group valence क्या होता है? Outermost shell electrons or 8 minus that. Like if I talk about halogens, the group valence will be 8 minus 7, that is 1. Therefore, we write the valency of chlorine is -1, fluorine is -1, bromine is -1, iodine is -1. Right? Causal in relation to chemical bonding, he said that in the periodic table, the highly electronegative halogens and highly electropositive alkali metals, they are separated by noble gas. Easy है. राइट साइड में सबसे हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव हैलोजेंस हैं और लेफ्ट साइड में हाईली इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एल्कली मेटल्स हैं पीरियडिक टेबल में. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए नेगेटिव आयन फ्रॉम ए halogen atom and a positive ion from an alkali atom is associated by gain and loss of an electron. Let me make you understand this point. If I write here sodium, okay, sodium 11 electron 281, so sodium will lose 1 electron. So sodium, when sodium configuration we will write here, it is neon. What is the 10? Neon means 10 and 3s1. It will lose 1 electron. It will become sodium plus ion. Okay, and outermost orbit electron it has lost, so plus 1 electron. You understood? Sodium से sodium positive ion बन गया and 1 electron is lost. So now it has attained the configuration of neon only 10. Octet complete हो गया. What about Cl? If I write Cl here, so Cl has the configuration neon 3s2 3p5 अभी हमने लिखा 10 plus 3p5 10 plus 5 17 है ना. So 10 plus 5 15 plus 2 17. So this Cl will take 1 electron. कहाँ से लिया? Cl will take this electron that was lost by sodium. So when it will take the electron, it will become Cl minus ion. You understood? 1 electron is extra. So now its configuration will become neon 3s2. तो पहले से था 3p5. Now it has become 3p6. So ये कौन सा गैस हो गया बेटा? 10 plus 2 12 plus 6 18. So it has now become argon. oblique कर दो. Understood? This Na and Cl, they will form the bond and they will form NaCl. So we can write here Na plus Cl minus will form NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Clear? Same way we can show CaF2, calcium fluoride, CaF2. So calcium, argon, मतलब 18, argon and 4s2, 18 plus 2, 20. So it will lose 2 electrons, outermost orbit 2 electrons. To get stable octet configuration, it will lose 2 electrons. So it will become Ca2 plus 2 electron. Understood? Positive ion बन गया. And fluorine, F2 यानी fluorine. So fluorine configuration is helium. यहाँ लिख दे. Helium 2s2 2p5. क्यों? क्योंकि फ्लोरीन कितना होता है 9. So helium is 2, 2 2 4 and 5 9. So fluorine, how many electrons it needs? 1 electron only to get octet. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8. एक ही चाहिए इसको. So fluorine will take 1 electron. It will become fluorine minus ion. ठीक है? Fluoride ion बन गया अब now. So fluoride ion बन गया. Now it has got the configuration. You see carefully. Helium 2s2 2p6. What? 6 हो गए. तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? ऑब्लिक कर दो. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 यानी neon. It got the octet configuration. When it got the octet configuration, you can say, टीचर उसने तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया और इसने 1 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन लिया है. तो 2 fluorine atoms will take 2 electrons and they will form fluoride ion. So we will write here Ca2 plus 2 fluoride ions will form CaF2. Understood? So this is known as this type of bond which is formed by making ions. Ions क्यों बनाते हैं? To get the stable configuration. So to this type of bond is known as electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Ionic bond. Understood? Tomorrow we will read by sharing of electron how bonds are formed. That is known as covalent bond. Okay, beta? Meanwhile, you revise all these things.